So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna retread the oil pan because as you seen in my previous video, I tried to solve this problem with the smart oil drain plug, but this part didn't work for me. So now I'm gonna retap it to a different type of thread to plug up this hole completely. So now let's get into the video. So I still see drips of oil on my garage floor, so I'm gonna try to fix this today by retapping it with I'm gonna retap it with M13 by 1.5 because this one is M12 by 1.5. So we're gonna make the hole a bit bigger to accommodate the M13 by 1.5. So it's the same thread pitch, it's just bigger diameter. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take out the plug on the oil pan to drain out all the oil. Then I'm gonna tap the thread of the oil pan with this repair kit from Amazon. So this is an M13 by 1.5 tap, and it has 6 extra oil drain plug, which is M13 by 1.5. So the standard drain plug for this N55 engine is M12 by 1.5. So my problem is the thread on the pan. So some of the threads are worn out, so it's not giving me a good grip, so that's why the oil is leaking. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tap it to M13 by 1.5. So it's the same thread pitch. The only thing, the difference is it's a bit bigger. The diameter of the plug is a bit bigger. So basically we're gonna create a new thread to put this new plug. And then after I retap it, after I drain the oil, I'm gonna use the old oil and I'm gonna put it back in the engine to flush out the debris from the tapping of the tool. So at least I know that when I flush it, that all the debris is gonna come out from the tapping tool. So there's no debris inside that's gonna be stuck inside, that's gonna create problem for me. And then after that, I'm gonna do an oil change and I'm gonna go to a thicker oil. Instead of 5W30, I'm gonna use 5W40. So because now I have the tune in the car, I drive a little bit aggressively, so the engine gets more hot. So it's gonna give me better protection inside when you have 5W40. That's just my opinion. It's up to you what you want to use in your car, but for me, I'm gonna change to 5W30 to 5W40 now. I'm gonna take out the plug with the 17mm. Drain out the oil. See, some parts are tight, some part of the thread are loose. So that means some part inside the pan is worn out. There you go. So here I have the smart oil drain plug that I just took out from the car, and this is the standard oil drain plug from BMW, and this is the new one that I'm gonna install on the car. It's bigger in diameter, And this is the tap that I'm gonna use to make the new threads for the new oil drain plug. So I'm gonna measure the diameter of the smart oil drain plug. So it's 11.25 millimeter. And the BMW, it's a little bit bigger. It's 11.82 millimeter. And now the new plug that I'm gonna install to fix this problem is 12.75 millimeter. So this is a little bit bigger in diameter, so that's the one that we're gonna install now. And the tap I'm gonna use is 13.03 millimeter. So this is the M13 by 1.5. So this is all the debris that came out from the tapping of the oil pan. So I would say I got most of the debris out with this tap. You can see, we're gonna see if we get some more debris from the tapping. We're gonna do a second flush. So now it's time to put the plug on the oil pan with the new M13 by 1.5. So the thread feels feels really nice. Goes in smoothly. I'm just gonna snug it. I don't wanna break the thread. Okay. So far it's nice and tight. Yeah, it's nice and tight. That's it. Now it's time to put the new oil. Put back the oil filter. So first I'm gonna put the 5 liter. Then after that I'm gonna add maybe a liter and a half. So here's the balance of 1 liter and a half. I already measured it, so it's only a liter and a half inside this jug. So. So I put the new oil. I put some fresh new oil and a new oil filter. And so far I got no leak, so hopefully this will solve the problem. Otherwise I have to retap it again to the next size, which is M14. So now this is M13 by 1.5. Well, I'm still gonna keep an eye on this just to make sure I don't get any more leaks, but I'll keep you updated on that. So I finally got the new plug installed on the drain pan. Hopefully I fixed this problem completely so I don't have to deal with this problem in the future. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.